Hello friend, in this video we will see how to show toast message on your Android screen. So for doing this, come to your activity underscore main.xml file and here drag a button so that when we click this button we can see a toast message. And so drag it here and remove that hello world, and now give this button some constraint so that we can arrange this button according to our preference. Give it by default you can give minimum two constraint, one for upper or lower or one for side, and here I give it three constraints so I can arrange it in better way. And now give it some ID so that we can remember or we can refer this button via in our Java file. And come now, save it and come to your main activity.java file, and where is it is yes, now come here and now give a reference to that button. Here I give toast button, I think this is a valid name, and now initialize that button. Toast button equals to find view by ID and r.id.id which you give to the button in your activity underscore main.xml file. Now create a set on click listener method for this button. New view dot on click listener. Now here provide some instructions so that when we press our this toast button we can see a toast message on the Android screen. So this write toast dot make text, like we want to see text, so use make text and give it here some context, main activity dot this, because we are in main activity, so give this main activity dot this context, and here give it some string which give it here string which you want to see on your screen, and now give it some length, like for how long time you want to see this toast message. Here I'm giving long, you can use short, and till now it won't show toast message because so seeing toast message we have to use dot show method. Now run the app. Yes, yeah, run the app. And till now you enjoy the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and share this video with your friends, and wait until it run. Yes, yeah, it finished. And now let's now press the button and what, yeah, press that button. See here we can see our toast message. This is toast one, press it again. Yeah, you can see this, and you can change it to any string, like rather than toast one to use toast two, and run it again and wait until it finish. Yeah, it's a Gradle finish. And yes, press the button again. See here we can see this is toast 2, so you can change it to any string according to your preference. Thanks for watching full video.